There are few things in this world that are more classic than a sweet, crisp, juicy apple on a hot summer's day. I'm Boss, someone is taking the apple from the screen. Did this happen on set? There's like a hand reaching into the screen and like taking the apple from the is never mind. Never mind. It's back. Yeah, I'll just roll with it, I guess. There are few things in this world that are more classic than an apple wilting on a picnic blanket, waiting for you to throw it out on a hot summer's day. David's family farm apples. So good, a time traveler would steal it.